careful, you can't run in them.
You want me to tie it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I have sneakers and everything in the closet downstairs. You could just do that.
Liam, why do you like to wear mommy sneakers? It's fun? Yeah.
Oh, what big feet you have. Oh, you've grown another size. Are you a size 6 now? Do you like the green and the gray?
Well.
Where'd they go? I think they're stuck in the tunnel.
Well, get them going, Grandma.
All right, I like this. I like this. Yikes. 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 All right. Okay, calm down, buddy. Calm down. All right, that's it. This is like demolition derby. Demolition derby.
Usually it goes through. Wait, you want?
Okay. You're going this way. You're going this. Whoop. Wow.